Merry Christmas, everyone! Unfortunately, I live in a country where they do not celebrate Christmas, so today is just like any other day. Yeah, it's pretty sad, to be honest. But enough about that. I'm making this video because next week is officially the beginning of 2026. And you know what that means. Everyone's starting their New Year's resolutions. And as we all know, one of the most common resolutions is getting in shape. You know, you want to look good for summer and all of that, take your shirt off at the beach, maybe get some girls. So in today's video, I'm gonna lay out a very simple blueprint, a blueprint that you can follow to make sure you get in the best shape of your life in 2026. No nonsense, no fluff, just things that actually work. Step 1, make fitness a non-negotiable. The first thing that you need to understand is that fitness needs to become a part of your life. You can't afford to go another year saying, I don't feel like it, or working out hurts. No, you are adopting this into your lifestyle. Every healthy meal, every workout, every good night of sleep, they all matter. And if you make fitness optional, you're gonna quit. But if you make it a non-negotiable, you'll stay consistent. Step 2, go to the gym at least 3 times per week. You don't need some crazy, complicated program. Just start by training your full body every single time you go to the gym. 1 exercise per body part is more than enough. And with that, the goal is simple. Just show up to the gym, lift. None of your workouts should take you more than an hour. And if you stick to this consistently, you're gonna build muscle. Step 3, walk more. This is one that most people neglect without even realizing. Like, somebody signed up for my coaching the other day and she told me she averages around 4,800 steps per day. The first thing I told her is we've gotta get those numbers up. If you're trying to get in shape, 10,000 steps per day should be the bare minimum. Walking burns calories, helps with recovery, and most importantly, it's easy. Unless you physically can't walk, you should be walking every single day. Step 4, eat intentionally. You don't need some fad diet. You need 1, a calorie deficit. 2, enough protein. What is a calorie deficit? A calorie deficit is when you burn more calories than you eat. To know how many calories you need to lose fat, multiply your goal body weight by 13. Eat like that for a week or 2, and if you don't lose weight, drop your calories a little bit more. Make sure you're eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, and it's as simple as that. A bonus would be staying away from alcohol. Oh, but 1 glass of wine is healthy. No amount of alcohol is good for your health. And if you want to get in the best shape of your life, step 5, fix your sleep. Sleep is the foundation of a healthy body. If you sleep like shit, everything else gets harder. Start by going to sleep at the same time and waking up at the same time. Get at least 7 hours of sleep and you'll notice how much better your body feels on a day-to-day basis. Step 6, and this is most important, stick to the process. You know how Joel Embiid and the 76ers were always saying, trust the process? They never actually trusted the process. They never actually stuck to it. They would always get injured and shit. But that's besides the point. Let's get back to fitness. Trust the process. If you can stick to it for a whole year, cool, that's great, but that's not realistic. Commit to 90 days to change your body. 90 days where you'll train, you'll walk, you'll eat better, you'll sleep better, you'll cut out alcohol, and after 90 days, reassess and keep going. That's how a real transformation happens. If you follow this blueprint, you will get in the best shape of your life in 2026. Because at the end of the day, sticking to the basics is what most people don't do. And if you want personalized fitness coaching, click the link in the description to apply, follow all my socials, and I will see you in the next video.